I request our Secretary Tupat Vipakshapa to escort the speakers Rohit Gandhi and Rahul to the dais and present the floor. It's my privilege to introduce the speakers of the session. Rahul Gandhi is a practicing chartered and a founder partner at Rahul Gandhi and Associates, specializing in indirect taxation, personal finance, and MSME business consulting. He helps businesses simplify compliance, automate operations, and scale sustainably using technology-driven solutions. With prior experience at Deloitte, he is a public speaker, author, digital educator with strong social media presence. He is the author of Truth for Youth and co-author of Online Gaming Industry, a practical guide to business and taxation in India. His mission is to empower entrepreneurs and youth with right financial wisdom and to support MSMEs in achieving stock exchange listing by 2030. With this brief introduction, I present you with Rahul Gandhi.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Second speaker for the day is Rohit Gandhi. He is a practicing chartered at Rahul Gandhi and Associates with prior experience at EY as an assistant manager and article assistant. He has a hands-on experience in statutory audits, ICFR reporting, DRHP letter assignments, and NDAs and Schedule 3 compliance. Rohit has worked across diverse sectors including manufacturing, software and technology, CRM, manpower resourcing, and trading entities. EA awarded recipient. He is also a stock market enthusiast and a public speaker, conducting career counseling and corporate sessions. With this, I present before you Rohit Gandhi.
Hello. Hi everyone. Sir, this one here, slider, highlight. Okay. With gratitude towards my parents and my teachers, because of whom I am standing today, and my guru, my mentor, clients, KSCA and Bangalore branch of ICI. I wish to start this session. Okay, round of applause. Full motivation. Okay, next. Okay. Now, I am sharing you one of the golden rules in AI. Okay, you know golden rules of accounting? What is debit what? Credit what? We never applied in CA. Correct, huh? So golden rule of social media I will be sharing, okay? What do you know? This is not to brag, okay? But I am just telling you quickly to tell you whom you should trust and whom you should not trust in the era of social media. I became CA. This is social service organization. Wrote a book. This training academy with which I am associated. Gaming industry book we wrote. That same book got converted. LinkedIn 11,000 plus followers. Social media recently, Instagram I started. More than 28.5 thousand followers. Okay. KSCA I was chairman last year. Delivered more than 100 sessions till now. This is in brief. Do you think I am capable of taking session because of this? Huh? Yes or no? Yes. Biggest mistake. I am not capable of taking session. Here I am here to save your time. What is relevant I am sharing the next two. Next slide please. I am using Excel since 2015. Second thing, I have completed AICA course. Third thing, I have attended many workshops. So this session, what I have curated. Before this, I had opportunity to present it in Jito. For that, I curated, I studied for 7 days, attended various workshops, condensing everything and using practically and getting you this session. This is why you should trust me. Clear, huh? What do I call this is source rule. Okay, na? Understood, huh? In social media, will you believe a doctor signing financial audits, financial report? Yes or no? Yes or no, boss? No. Same way. Whom you should trust, you should know, or else you'll get fooled in the era of social media with the glamour and all. Okay? Okay, na? Can you trust me for this session today?
Yes.
Okay. In between, I'll also learn from you. Okay? Because you will definitely have something more which I will take home, or else there's no use of me taking session if I don't learn. Ultimate aim is I should save your time so that you can spend either with your friends or you can family or you can increase your business. That's the sole aim of this session. Okay? 2 hours leveling up and see the important thing. At the end of the session, whatever PPT is there or Excels I will be presenting now, you will get everything. Okay? But you have to make note of key learnings because everything won't be there in that also. Only if you stay till end you will find it. After that you won't find it. Okay? Because I have automated using Google app scripts. Okay? Any word you don't understand, आराम से माता बोलना. Okay ना? Next. Okay. You using Excel? Huh? Everyone is using Excel.
Yes, yes.
Did you check which version of Excel you are using? Okay, just open Excel once. I want to make sure that you are using AI version of Excel. Okay? Even if it is not AI version, it's good. Still you can do it. How? You know how to create a Gmail ID? You know how to create a Gmail ID? Similarly, you have to create one Microsoft account. Okay, na? Arth Mahinda? You have to create one Microsoft account. You can implement whatever I am telling you this in there also. Okay? How expensive is Microsoft 365 degree? Sir, off the camera. Off the camera. How do you get data currently in Excel? Any use case you have, sir? From Tally?
Yes.
From Tally do we get data?
Yes.
Okay. How are other ways you are getting data?
Banks.
Bank statement. Bank gives us in Excel, CSV format, then we paste it. Yes. Then? Huh?
Inputting by author.
Inputting?
Manual.
Manual, correct. Manual. Sir, good. First example. Next. Anything else? Websites. How do you exactly get data from websites? Copy paste from website. Okay. All of this are correct. Now let me save your time. Ultimate goal is to save time. I'm not here to do something magic and all. I just want to save time. Clear? Huh? Clear? Huh?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Next slide. Let's decode. So, okay. Recently, I had one client coming. Okay, I'll share you one practical use case. You go to Excel. Okay. I'll share you one practical use case. One Marwadi client came to me. I generally don't take Marwadi clients, but see, same community, neighbors, friends, you should avoid. They should not be your client. Correct, Dada? Okay, that's what exactly I'm saying. Marwadi client, 5% came. Will he have Tally?
No.
He will have, but he will not give us. Okay, he had some. Understood, huh? This next one more version. Most of the clients
Can you show that instead of the audience?
insert data. Achha, go to this one. Data from picture. Picture.
Office 365.
Online Microsoft also you can. Online is free, na sir. Just go import, everything will work. Okay, na. So I'm saying, if you have upgraded system, we will also be updated. Okay. How many of you liked it? If you liked it, don't you say like this. Love. We will not raise our hands. Help. Will show. You know now who is this player? Who is this player? Not Dhoni. This recent.
Number 7. Abhishek.
Big
one. Abhishek Sharma.
Abhishek. Same way. We will also love Excel now. We will want to love Excel. So next time onwards you find something interesting, you should say help.
Yes.
Love Excel. Okay? Not raise like this. We are not in class. Next. Okay. Yes, sir.
It can accept any kind of scan
Yes.
or like
Any kind of image which is there. You can explore.
Scan.
Any scanned image. This is a scanned image. It will take it. It is scanned image. See, it has taken. So we call it as OCR reading. I'll tell you one more use case. Okay. I work in GST, so refunds and all will be there. Okay. In refund case, many of the cases, accounting will be wrong only. Many cases. They would, correct sir, it will be wrong. So invoice description will be something they would have accounted in some other head. Okay. When we do for MNCs, all those invoices we immediately uploaded. Data was tabulated. We knew. After that data was tabulated, I will show you how we segregated, and refund was, accuracy in work was more than 80%. I confidently said client, sir, you don't worry, in future any notice comes now, I will pay for that. Understood? We charge client. I said, I will pay if notice comes. Don't worry, that much confidence I gave him. Just because of?
Yeah.
Next. See, one more, sir told now, bank statement. Many of them, they use this mobile banking. Correct, sir? I also have such clients. I asked them to give it in Excel. They don't give that. Then I told, sir, extra 4 hours will go. I'll charge extra money. Are you okay? He said, okay. Then I thought, oh, best. I love you. Then now, bank statement, sir. You have to charge extra, okay, with this. Or else no use of Excel. So again, same thing. Get data. We have to do from PDF. Okay? From PDF. This basically get data tab is a new tab which has come. This is AI version of Excel. Okay. If you find anything, just watch 5-6 videos on YouTube, you'll find it. And this same thing I can upload in some online website and get the data, but that is not relevant. We are CAs, I can't upload data, confidentiality will be there. That's the main reason why this is important to us. Why we should use Office 365. Okay, na? No, understood?
Yes.
Okay. So, from PDF, I'm just taking one bank to show how it will work.
This is a bank statement which is there.
Okay. See, this is one bank statement.
Hello. Yeah. So this is the bank statement which we have now with us. It's in this format something. One thing is copying this entire thing and pasting in the Excel, but it won't work for most of the time. I'll just show you the thing. If I do copy from here, paste it, it comes something in vague format. We cannot do it, right?
Yes.
Okay. So now what we'll do, we'll just directly import this bank statement. I'll go to get data from files from PDF. Okay. This is the statement and enter. We'll just wait for a minute, it will load. Okay. We need to select which all pages. So in this there are 3 pages, we are selecting all the 3 pages.
So now bank statement has 3 pages, okay. Here it gives 2 options. Whenever it is in table now, it means that is in table format. You know table format in Excel?
Yes, yes.
Okay, that is in table format. If it is not known, I'll cover later. And this is in range format. It is not table, it is just plain data. Understood? Huh? Both are same files only. If there are 100 pages, it will come 100. It will come in 100 different sheets, worksheets. You know difference between workbook and worksheet?
Yes, yes.
So worksheet is different sheets in Excel. Workbook is different Excels. Okay? These are 3 Excel worksheets I'll be getting insert. I'm inserting it in table format. Okay?
Okay. So we'll give load to create a table and next as OK. Is everyone following?
Yes, yes.
Now, one more thing I want to share parallelly. Meanwhile, it looks so fast it is. I didn't get the point. See, it is in table format now. Work is easy or not?
Yes, yes.
Can you bill client or not?
Yes.
Can you save time or not?
Yes, yes.
Such a good student. Yeah. Everyone is saying yes. Okay. So, work done? Yeah. Next. This was in text format. Okay. Same way, you can import data in any format. I'll tell you, earlier also, if you want to work out this in earlier versions of Excel, you can still do it. How? You want to know?
Yeah.
There's something called Power Query. Okay. In Power Query, there is VBA. You have to use ChatGPT, copy code, automatically it will import. If you are using earlier versions of Excel. But now it is made user friendly. Earlier also same features were there. Developer used to code and give. Now coding is not required, it is easy. Understood? Okay. Next. Similarly, now we saw about image. We saw about PDF. Third, you can. How many of you are using Tally? Tally?
Yeah.
What happens in Tally? If we generally, how do we pull the data from Tally? Export. What do we do? That normal ledger will be there. We'll do F8, columnar form, export. Then comes. If more than 50,000 line items, Tally hangs. And one of the biggest problem, one more thing I want to share is, if our system is not speed, that will also be very slow. Yes or no? Now this AI to run, our system should also be good. It should not be 8 GB. If it is 16 GB, it will be much faster. Understood? So upgrade, that system upgradation is required. Okay. In that case, there is something called ODBC. Again, go to get data. Get data. ODBC. There is ODBC. This is nothing but how one app talks to one more app. Okay. In AI version, you should think in that way. How can I make one Excel to talk to my email? How can I make Excel to talk to Tally? We call it API. We also call it API. We also call it this one. API is nothing but application process interface. Some processing interface, something. Okay, don't go by name. But basically, they both talk to each other. That is what API is. Okay, it is like connecting pipes so that data flows seamlessly. Now we are extracting data, we are doing it in format and then coming. If pipe is connected, very easy. Same way, here there is something called ODBC. Okay, you should go to Tally, change the port code to 9000, connect this, automatically put ledger name, it will be extracted. Understood? But laptop processing speed should be fast. If it is 8 GB laptop, it won't work. Understood? One more use case. Okay. Similarly, now we are pulling out what kind of data? Which is data which is fixed. Now bank statement not changing, image not changing, Tally not changing. Say suppose you have data which is changing. What do you do in that case? Every time you have to update, yes or no?
Yeah.
But that feature can also be imbibed in that. What I want to make sure is, see now ultimate aim of this workshop is you can import dynamic data and present the report. That report will also be dynamic. Understand the impact of it.
Yes.
Understanding.
Yes.
Now, non-changing data you are presenting, client is not interested in it. If as soon as he passes one entry, dashboard is also ready. He will love you. Yes or no?
Yes.
Ready MIS you are giving. It will take 2 hours for you, but client will have different value. Got it? Next. Same way, what's the next thing? So we saw from 2 things, okay? Image from image, PDF. Third thing I want to cover is from web. How do you import data? Dynamic. Understood? Shall we do that? Okay. How many of you have taken images from Google till now? Images from Google. Screenshots they have taken, correct? Now in Excel there is one more. If you take a screenshot, you have to resize it always, yes or no? And you have to do chota, mota, or else you have to take that image, then fit it, then go to one tab and then resize it. There are multiple options there, yes or no?
Yes.
Here I will share one more easy option. Okay, I have taken, go to Google, I will take ICI ka logo. Because we are doing ICI, we will take ICI ka logo. Which logo? Acha, we'll take this new logo, okay. One of the important steps is you should copy this, click on that, right click, copy image address. If you go on this image, now click that image. This is not image address. This is not image address. Here what on top it is coming, that is not image address. Okay. Generally we have tendency that is image address. Basically that is the location of that image. But this is not the location of that image. Image location you will find it here. Okay. Copy. Go to Excel. Equal to. I pasted that first. Okay. Image. Formula. Image. Is it working now? Oh, not working. Okay. Okay. Now expand that. Super, huh? Yes. But I don't know the use case of this, but just show.
What is the use?
I have to fill 3 hours also. Huh? You have to. This one use case is many of us have kids in the home and recently married. So kids will ask project report and all. Correct? Huh? In project report you can use this. Use case will always be there, personal or professional. Okay. Then next. So one more. Okay. This was again image. I'll take dynamic data now. Generally what we have stock market data and all will be there. Okay. Many a times from website sir told copy pasting we do not. So we can avoid this copy pasting. This with an option called import from web. In that same tab, import from web data is there. Okay. I'll just show you one demonstration. Import from web. I pasted the location for now. Okay, this is listed company ka data. Here will save time because there
We'll have to come to data, and then here we have import from web. From web.
from web.
Okay.
Import from web. Here.
So this is one of the URL which is there for all the listed companies' data. Now suppose I go on import from web. We'll have to paste the URL and then
See, this is a standard tab which will come. Table 1 in everything is coming in range for table format. See, now these are all listed company ka data. Now go to that website also. Rohit.
yeah.
First go to that website. See. How is the data here? Correct, huh? Reliance, market cap, everything. What you can do is here export option is there. Many times we don't have export option. Correct, huh?
Yeah.
We will copy paste that, then format it, Alt E, Alt A, text to column, divide down, everything will be sorted. Make sense? Go there. Now import it.
So we will select all the tables.
All tables were selected.
Load to again table format and then
Let's see. See, now it has loaded 3 sheets. It has read that web page, it has loaded 3 sheets. But what we require is only this sheet. Sorted up. Now the magic of that is, say IPL score or something is coming. You can just refresh, automatically it will refresh it. And to this, if you prepare a dashboard, ready data. Dashboard also we will learn. In less than 10 minutes, like this you will prepare dashboard. In less than 10 minutes you will prepare dashboard. Yes, ma'am.
So, if there is a data like this in the website and I need it for a particular period, maybe a past year, which I give from date to this date, which may not be there in the first sheet.
Which may?
So,
Which
when
may
I
not
open
be.
a URL, first screen it will be the latest data. I need a past year, so I'll give a date. So that data will come. So when I do it in Excel, the first
will
screen will come or whatever I filtered will
No,
come.
whatever is visible on that web page it will come. Yeah.
So the second screen, right?
Ah,
Like what I
yeah.
giving, what I'm selecting.
Yeah. Once you second screen now, so web address will also change.
It will change. Okay.
If web address changes, it will work out. Understood? Huh?
Yeah.
Clear? Huh?
Got it.
How many of you got it till now? Again? Raise like this. Okay. Like this only get data tab you can explore. How many of you want me to waste my time here and then get data? Next slide okay. Something more, something better. Okay. Then get data. One more feature, okay. Now get data is done, okay. This, if you learn, anything can be possible. Okay. I want to show you one practical use case. Shall I show you?
Yes.
Show my stock market. He is Hanuman. I am Ram. See, this is Google Sheets. I am pulling real-time data of the companies. Okay, this I use for trading. Go to scanner, go to current holdings. It will show me which stocks to buy, which one is eligible for selling. I spend 5 minutes a day, make some money. So what happens is real-time data gets pulled. The Google Sheets are connected into our stock market. Google Finance one function. No, don't know. The same way only it will work. Understood? Huh? Stock market functions it will connect there. Then I use some standard my own stock market analysis. I pulled it there. It suggests me which stocks I am buying, which stocks I am selling. So till now how much profit I am making? A loss also is there, okay. So tax also I am paying. Clicking. So go to sold tab. So there is list of 40 stocks which will keep changing. Which one will go, which one will come, it will keep changing. So I started in last October 24 and made profit of around 2 lakh rupees, 3 lakh rupees on that capital. I am not putting, because I know stock market is emotion, not an emotion game, logic game. Let us use Excel. You can make money. Why I am showing you use cases for you to think in this direction you can use. Do you have any use case where how you can use? Raise your hand with get data feature. Anything practically, anything? Use case, can you think about anything?
Downloading of GST accounting multiple files you will download monthly files. So I can consolidate it to single sheet.
Oh, but that will be in Excel, no? Excel or?
Excel also. Excel. Even 3D acknowledgements will be there. I can consolidate it to one sheet in a single Excel.
One more, for that one more thing I'll show. I'll show you one more thing, okay. With this one feature was use case because it should not get boring. I'll again come to Excel. We were doing an audit. What we were doing? What we were doing? Audit. So that was a payroll audit. Okay. HR had all the employee folders separately. She had saved PAN card, everything. I wanted to say there were around 500 employees. I wanted to check whose PAN card is not saved. Internal audit, that is what we have to do. Yes or no?
Yes.
That is process is strong or not, that is what we will check. DIM, Design Implementation Control, DIC. Yes or no? So we checked there. Show one example. Now I just demonstrated 5 folders here, okay. How many folders are here? 6 folders are there. Okay. 6 folders are there. I want to check in which folder PAN card is not there. Okay. How will I check? Manually. Earlier, how will I check? Open the folder. Open the folder one by one. If 500 employees, how much time it will take? How much time? 1 minute? No, sir. 500. Huh? 500?
5 minutes.
500 minutes. Huh?
5 to 6 hours.
5 to 6 hours. Okay. Go.
So minimum 3 hours it will take. Like,
Oh, let's assume not 5 hours, not 1 hour, 3 hours. Okay. In between. In 3 hours, there is one data. Get data from folders. Okay. Get data from folder. So go there. Folder.
so here we paste the link of that folder.
That path basically. Same desktop ka path.
That will do. We'll have to do again load.
See, what did I get? These 3 folders in 5 These 3 have PAN card. One is not having PAN
So,
card.
yeah, sorry, these 4 are having PAN card of these 6 folders. basically.
Okay. So everywhere he has saved as PAN. One place he has not saved as PAN. Understood? Huh? Total how many folders were there? 6 folders. 2 folders not having PAN. So internal audit report successful. You have to say
Yes, yes.
inadequacy, inaccurate.
But in the folder only PANs will be not saved, right? Something else will be.
Those everything will come. So then we again for that also have AI. We'll use it how much ever we want to use it, and just showing you the demonstration how to use the get data feature. Okay.
If he saves with the name of the PAN, then we can find out.
See, here-
There's another XYZ.
Can you show me a folder what it contains?
Go to show folder. Aditya PAN is there. Okay, next. Mayur PAN is there. Then which one is there? Shashank is not there.
This is an illustrative file which we have created. So suppose whosoever is creating or saving the files, they'll save it PAN, Aadhaar or let's say whatever. On a first level review, we'll get to know, okay, this is the size, and then we can dig down.
Now you will have multiple questions. Say that say in folder there are 5 files, 10 files. How do I know? All 5 names will come. At least our work got easy. Correct, na? It is not ultimate goal. AI will not give. It will make our work easy. If you are not using it, is stressful. Yes or no? More questions.
Yeah, but what if the file is just named as pen, but the document is something else?
Client is only fraud. So you will catch it. For that, even bigger sample. One PAN is there now, we have to go and check. Audit is on sample basis. It means you are working in some corporate company. Huh? No, sir, don't lie. No, you are working in some company. Sure, eh? Sure, eh?
I don't do audits anymore.
No, basically what I am saying is, see, they can, for fooling they can do that. There is one movie, which one is that recently? I watched one movie on that pharma company, a series was there, Hotstar series. They had done that one only, pharma testing, all fake files they had uploaded. When we go and check, everything is the same file is only uploaded with rename. Understood? Huh? That too at file level we have to check it. But this is just easing your work as a reviewer.
Yes.
If you want to review whether the article has done work correctly or not, more comfort will come. Okay? Next. What's next? From folder stock market also ODBC research. One more info. Okay. Now we are entering into US markets and all we are entering. US and Australia ka work we do from our office. Like US returns, Australia ka few accounting work and all. Here though in Bangalore I know Tumkur, where is Tumkur, where is that thing, how much population is there, what do the people want. To connect with them we need that. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
So that same data you can get it in Excel. Okay. Going forward they will add more features here. How? I'll show it to you. Go to data tab. Data tab, there is one tab called now data, get data is over. Get data is over. Okay, we knew the traditional way and the new way of getting data. Now we will go into data types. Okay, now just drag it down. See, now they have added 3 things. One is stock market, one is currencies, one is geography. Now I was talking about what? Geography. Geography,
Yes.
same thing. Now what do you know about Bangalore, sir? Tell me. Any 5-6 things about Bangalore? Can someone tell me? Left side. How much population in Bangalore? Right side. 1.3 CR. 2 CR. Next. Okay. What is per capita income of Bangalore citizens? 4 lakh. Next. What is why I am asking per capita income is very important. When you do this business consulting, they'll ask you where you have to set up factory. This data will be mamma mia. It will be like that. Okay. Just show her. I have for just saving time, I have written different states in India. Okay. Different states I have written. Now all these states I need many data. How will I do that?
So we are converting this list into table first.
Don't convert it to a table, directly you show it. Okay, this is Andhra Pradesh, okay. In Andhra Pradesh, I want to see what all details I get of Andhra Pradesh. Geography. Now on right side, there is one option, insert data, right? These are the different fields which are available. What are different fields? Area. Just click on area. It will show how much square feet it is. Again, click on that. Which country it is. Go to something else. Interesting. Can you see the screen?
Okay. Is it visible?
Do it thoda or yes. Take something else then. Do go from bottom. Do per capita. Population is how much? Go to population. Okay. Come down. Description. What is Andhra Pradesh about? Where is it located? Go next. Come down. More data areas. Okay. Go down. That's it. Okay. Time zone also there. Now I am getting the brief data of Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Similarly, if I want data of all the other states, if you are working in multiple geographies, this is the most useful thing. If you don't know about geography, venturing into, this is how it will help you. Why I am sharing you use cases in YouTube and all, you won't find use case. Why I am sharing you CA ka use case only? Because I know how I have used it. That's why. Just to open up your minds, only when you exploit the thing, then you achieve excellence. I will tell you what is exploiting, achieve excellence, everything. Okay. Can we do it for all together? One we don't want to do it.
So we'll select this entire list and convert this into table format. Control T.
Control T if you press, it will convert into table. Okay.
Then do.
Okay. Now beside that, let's see. Again.
We'll select this entire thing again, click on geography, then start using whatever data is.
Go to capital of each. No, country, variable data.
Largest city. Population also. So we keep on getting data.
If you put country, you will get per capita income also. Understanding?
Description. So in a single shot, we get all the data.
Why I want to show you this is, going forward, now you see only how many tabs are there? Currency, region, geography. One more, stop. These three. Going forward, they will add other things also in this. Okay, so keep a watch on this. As soon as something comes, try to explore once. Understanding? Okay. How many of you are feeling sleepy? You loved it or no? No use case, why I should know? Okay, you know, change my use case, I don't like it.
So same thing is also there again for stocks.
Stock market.
We
Okay.
just quickly do it. Suppose I select the entire row and now here we click on stocks. Okay.
Basically, only thing you have to write the company name. Okay. Alternatively, you can also write the ticker name. Ticker is short form of that. If you write company name, automatically it will detect. If it is not in database, it will give one slide here. You can select. You need NSE, BSE, or whichever stock exchange you want. You will find the highest price, lowest price, everything you will find.
So from here you can start again exploring the data.
There are many fields. They will keep on adding fields also. 52-week high, 52-week low. I'll tell you one use case. Use case I'll tell you. How we used it. How many of you file income tax returns? Okay. How many of you are doing for reporting foreign income? Because these days Bangalore is how many NRI transactions are coming. You know, in reporting of foreign income, they say if you have stock, highest value, lowest value, what is the rate, everything you have to report. Currency will be helpful feature. Just show, go to Google Sheet. How we use, I'll tell you that. I'll just put one stock ka name, the data is auto-populated, what I have to put in returns. Highest, lowest, everything. And for lifetime there is a record also. Yes or no?
Yes.
So this is a kind of template which is created. This works again only in Google Sheet, not in normal Excel. It's a Google formula. So
Okay.
what we have done here in ticker, we need to write the name of the stock, the exact name what is appearing in the Google. If you give any other name, then it won't work. It goes off. So okay, ABC is also a kind of a company. I didn't know. Now NDAQ, it's a Nasdaq company. The employees working in India who are getting ESOPs for RSUs and all, it's there. So with this one particular function, we integrated it and we get this entire data for a year. Okay, we have placed it for a year. So our reporting was from Jan to December in ITR foreign transactions. We have taken out the entire transaction, and these are the relevant fields which are required for the purpose of ITR, for what is actually we reported in the ITR form.
What is the peak value of share during that year? What is the value? Conversion, currency rate also. Then closing value, closing rate. Sorted.
So directly copy and paste. Just you need to change the name of the stock, like say broadband is working or whatever the company name is, and we get the data. No need to hustle around.
Tell me something. If many of them ESOPs, they'll be doing only 1 share, 2 share. Now I have a client who was doing capital gains transaction. Like he was also trading there. He had some 20, 30 shares. How much time would I have wasted in finding each of them? How much time? Guess. Lot of time. Here. How much time is saved approximately? How much? 30. Half an hour minimum? Write down 30 minutes please. Ultimate output is that only. 30 minutes saved? Okay. So this we saw about data feature. What are the 2 features of data?
We have to do only Google Sheet, not on Excel.
Same way it will work in Google Sheet. Why I am saying Google Sheet is you can give access to any of your team members and prove believer that everyone should learn. Only then we can grow. If you know, it won't work. Now I am sharing you openly. Right? This is all my office ka USPs I would say. USP. That's why with lean team also we are able to do work. Why I am sharing you all of this? You might say why you have done so much research, why are you sharing? Anyone wants to know? Just raise your hand if you want to know why you are sharing all of this. This is one mentor of me. Okay, Jatin sir was Jatin Krishna. He told, knowledge is not a hoarding. You can't hoard your knowledge and say, you should share. If I share knowledge, I will make a space for a new one. Trust me, from previous session what I told, I have learned 3 new things which has saved a lot of my time. Okay, na? That's why I am sharing you all of this openly. Go and implement. That is what I do every time whenever I get opportunity. Next.
So okay, we demonstrate at Indian market. This is for foreign thing. Now suppose if we come into Indian market and I want to know the history of this stock, let's say HDFC Life. There is a simple formula called stock history. Okay, equals to stock history. This is again there in Microsoft 365, new version only. These formulas work. Okay, I am giving the link of the stock, start date from which I need the data, and the end date. Okay. Again, this and 0 and 1. So we get all the data again. The closing for each day.
Can you tell me what is the use case of this? How can you use? Anyone has an idea?
Capital gain.
Capital gain calculation. Good. Then
So granted.
I didn't think in that direction. Huh? Nice idea.
So granted.
Piece of granted. Next. Any other way? I'll tell you, stock market analysis. If you want to do fundamental analysis, they will see this only. One of the parameters will be this, where they'll do backdated ka all the transactions ka analysis. Immediately you'll get data. No need to rush around, go around. Make sense, huh? Done. These all are the areas which you should slowly explore. Or if someone is exploring, you should give them these tools to exploit. Got it, huh? Exploring is knowing, exploiting is doing. Both are different. Okay, next. Now we did first feature of Excel. What is the first? What are the 4 features what Excel has? Can you help me? First, second, third, fourth. First, get data we knew how to do with AI. Now I will do cleaning the data and summarizing with AI. Okay. There are multiple options. I'll show you one of the options. Have you done? Before going, I want to show you use case. How it has helped me. How many of you are doing SFT reporting? SFT reporting. With income tax, you get transaction in AIS, EIS, all of that. If it is reported in SFT, then only AIS, EIS it reflects. The due date of filing is 31st May. Correct? Huh? For that, one client, it was into M&A, mergers and acquisition. That client got acquired. Then they thought you have not filed SFT. File it. When he shown us this previous data, we got to know everything was too much messy. In journal entry, they had posted everything. Email IDs, PAN number. There were around 20-30 transactions. Like that, for one more year, they had 500 transactions. For SFT filing, we need email IDs. Yes or no?
Yes.
They were using Tally earlier and didn't maintain any repository. How will you find that email ID for 500 employees? This is like cleaning the data. No? Cleaning data is nothing but what I want from that data, pulling that data from that. Yes or no? If 500 line items are there, how will you get that data? In each journal entry, Rahul is a good person, he taught me, his Gmail ID is this, his PAN number is AABBBCD. Like that, in each journal entry it is written, 500 line items. What will you do? What will you do? We are punters in Excel, na? Since the day we started articleship, we are using Excel. Yes or no? And we have not used Word, we have not used PowerPoint, only Excel. Let us explore how we can exploit that thing also. Okay. This how to use this feature I am telling you first. Then let's share the use case. Show that file. Now what I said, I'll just show it in that file so that you know what I'm talking is actually there, not just looking around. See, this is the data. Okay. This is how they have entered everything. Address, PAN, email ID. I need email IDs for SFT reporting. Yes or no, sir?
Yes.
Correct, na? And address also I need. Now, how do I extract this? I can't use this one. Text to column I can't do because every 3 months accountant is changing, and I have to do for last 4 years because it was M&A transaction. What did I do? There is one formula AI extract. Okay, AI extract. Just show it. Rohit, you want to show it?
Yeah. So this is the address you can see, as you can see. So in this, if you see, there's a PAN number as well as mail ID and address. All three are coming in the same cell, let's say, or the same narration with which comes. Then you need to get only the address. So,
Zoom in. Yes, more.
more?
Yes.
Is it visible till the end?
Yes.
Not visible? Yeah, this is the maximum. Okay. So, in this particular cell, we are having everything. This is still simple because if you see, there is an address followed by PAN followed by email for all the 31 transactions. There was another year where PAN was written first, after that address, then email ID, and jumbled up everywhere as however the accountant is used to write it. Simple formula what exists for this one to get an address without doing anything is there's an add-in called ChatGPT for Excel. What is it?
You show the formula.
ChatGPT for Excel. Okay, I'll just show you the formula directly. Equals to AI.ask. Okay, I'm giving the prompt now. AI.ask. This is the AI formula, and the prompt will be extract the address from the cell. We'll give from where to extract. We'll close this up. So that is comes. Now you can drag down and get it for 500 all the cells in a single shot and copy paste directly for your SFT file in single shot.
Email ID?
Again, same. You just need to change that. The game here is about how do you write a prompt. Or what is that you exactly require, you need to ask that correctly, then we are able to get the data.
Okay. Can you show that email ID also?
Type email ID.
Okay. Equals to AI.ask extract the email ID from this cell. So this is the mail ID.
Oh, now we are gathering energy is coming now. Who all liked it?
This is a very basic function of AI. AI has lot more to do with this. This is a very minimal function which we are using it.
I have AI in my classes. I know who has come early and who has not. Tell me who all liked it?
What?
Ma'am, you came here. Yes or no?
She also liked it. Sir,
No,
what?
because we are doing health. If you love it.
That's why we came.
That's why AI is here.
We came with the plan because we like.
So we can do it other way around also. Go to data and we use the separators, comma, and then
That data is shown.
Sir,
use the separator, comma. It splits it.
No,
so now
comma, how many times will do?
we'll just show. If you do comma, then number 47 will come in one cell. Again, SB row 2 next everything will come in one cell. So it's not a human thing to do again. But AI has that intelligence, it can capture.
Giving the relevant information. Traditional approach may take more time.
Here?
Yes, sir.
You love it?
Yes.
Okay, super. How much time save? Time? What?
Depending on how many different 500 is 1 minute. If 500 is 2 hours.
Trust me, we had 480 transactions to do per single day.
Okay, okay. Approximately the 30 transactions, how much time save? Can you write it? I want Isa boss at the end. I will take that report. How much time saved? Hey, write it. How much time saved at the end because of this? 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours. Huh? Sir, don't do SFT filing only. SFT filing is one use case. Like that, you will have many use cases. I will tell you one more use case. I told you that refund example. I got all journal entries. Okay. Then I use one more formula. I will show you. AI.ask. Give me which type of expense it is. And it gave me. I know the entity, what type of this one. Outward supply he was doing. In inward supplies, they have taken all insurance claim, motor vehicle. Then can I confidently tell, if I do work, you won't get any notice, okay? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. I am sharing you use case so that you think how to use it. Or else these formulas you will find online also. What's the use if you don't use it? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, super. Next, let's. How do we get these formulas? If you have 365, you won't get this formula. Okay. Now there is something called. Go to. Rohit, you want to say that? Go to tab, home tab. There is one cell called adding. Adding. Okay. In adding, go there. Type ChatGPT for Excel. ChatGPT for Excel. Okay. And then you will get this ChatGPT for Excel. Then those 7 to 8 formulas also you will get. Clear? Huh? Clear? Huh? I will show use case for each of those formulas. There are 7 to 8 formulas. I will give you a worksheet also, so that you can go home and practice. This is now free version. In free version, they are giving, you can use that formula for 300 times. After that, you pay me. Our work will be done by then. Okay.
So here, this is allowing me 190 times more to use this formula.
So they are also given how to use this now. Similarly, this is not just ChatGPT for Excel. There are GPT for Excel. There are many third-party integrators who have added that. But this is one easier and simpler one. You can go ahead and use it. And if you are doing, if you are working in consultancy industry, I will tell you how to use this. Okay. How many of you have clients who are into online sales? Online, e-commerce sales. Huh? How many? Raise hands. In e-commerce sales, You know how many people write descriptions and all. Yes or no? Or we have our profile where many people in Google, they write different reviews, whether it is good or not. Reading review, how much time it will take each review and categorizing it? Say 500 products are there. Gone na? In one single shot you will get here. How much time? 5 minutes also not. In your company, if someone is not doing good service, the client would have posted on Google profile, copy that, see who is that person. 2 minutes it will take. Like that, there are many use cases actually. I'm just trying to explore the mind. Okay. Now, ChatGPT for Excel. Can I show you this formula for one things so that quickly we'll cover all of that because we have limited time. I have many things to cover. Okay. Till here, are you following with me?
Yes.
If you're following, can you just shout followed?
Yes.
Followed. Followed.
Followed.
Then shout. See, I get energy when you talk, or else I'll be like drained. Not interested.
We'll break and have tea, then we'll
Oh, energy. Done, huh? Timing, huh?
Grace is followed.
6:30. But today is my birthday. Celebrating a nice year. Will dinner?
10 minutes.
Okay. Ready? Steady. Oh. Go. Hello. Huh? Okay. Okay. We completed first part, how to get data. Second part, cleaning the data. In cleaning, we completed first part. What all we learned? Recap and do. Quick recap and do. Okay. What's the difference between AI version and Excel version? AI version is Office 365. Costing is per day less than 0.5 rupees. Okay. After that, to get data, there are two types. One is static data also you can get, dynamic data also you can get. You need not use copy paste or now. Don't do copy pasting. Everything you can directly put link and it will come. We saw different use cases. How we can use for refunds, how we can use for SFT filings, how we can use for other things in Office day-to-day work. Okay. Now we are going into cleaning the data. Here is where actual AI comes into picture. What do I mean by cleaning the data? It means using the human intelligence. Okay. Now most of us have, how many of you have done AICA course? Okay. How many of you know prompting? How to prompt? Okay. See, for these formulas to work, you should know prompting. Okay. I'll tell you golden rule of prompting. Correct? Huh? Earlier I was telling you na golden rule of accounting. What is golden rule of accounting?
Debit what?
Comes in credit what? Which we never use. Same way, AI the golden rule is these three things. Three things for AI is who, WHO. When I say prompting, who you should act as. Should it act as an Excel expert? Should it act as direct tax expert, indirect tax expert? Second is in who is my audience? Is it CA, students and all? Okay. That is first, your prompt should include these three things. One is who. Second, what is the outcome you want? In earlier generation, we used to give input and then we used to get output. Here I have to write output so that my output comes directly. Understood? What is the output? Third and the most important thing, you should define it. What is the exact? Act as a direct tax expert. Give me, how should the sale of forex transaction should happen or F&O transaction should happen in less than 400 words, 200 words. We are in the era of generative AI where data will get humongous, but you should know what to pick, what to use. That's a skill and art which you should master. Got it? What can AI do and what AI cannot do? if you want to rule, what are 3 golden rules of AI? Who, result and boundary. Who, result, boundary. Who, result, boundary. WRO, who, result, boundary. These 3 things if you type in a prompt, everything AI you can master. In ChatGPT also don't write one single line prompt. It should include these 4 things, 3 things. Then you will get accurate answer. Okay? Then, next thing, we will learn about cleaning data. In cleaning the data, we learn 2 formulas. We have to use that add-in feature. If we add in, there is something called ChatGPT for Excel. AI.ask prompt we learn, and AI.extract also we learn. No.
Only
Both are
ask.
same. Ask is also same. Extract is also from that data it will pull out. Ask can generate the data also. Understood? Ask can generate data also. Okay, na? I'll just quickly run through other formulas. Can you just open that sheet wherein we have? These are the different formulas which you can use AI in day-to-day work. Okay. I'll share with this Excel. If only till the end, if you are here, I'll share. Not like this signing and I'm leaving, no. Okay, na? Even because your email ID will be captured, only then you will get, or else you won't get. It will have limited access only. As soon as session is over, I will remove that access. Go on. Or else make sure that you are making friend, Baju person. Okay. See now, I told you an example, na? We will use, these are the 7 to 8 formulas, okay. How you can use it, I am giving you this worksheet. This is which product it is, I want to know. So much is long is written. Do you have time to read, understand and comprehend? AI will use its intelligence and give me which product it is. Can you just show it?
Okay. Yeah. So here, as you can see in the slide, we have around 7-8 formulas which is given in the brief. That is AI format, AI extract, AI fill, AI ask, AI translate, AI choice. Each of these formulas I'm going to demonstrate how it is useful and how we can tweak with that. So, okay. Visible?
Yes.
Visible to the end?
Yes.
Okay. So, here, this is the name of the product. Let's say someone who is into electronics division or who is dealing with a bulk of data, doing e-commerce transaction and all. The name will be something like this, product name and description, how we see it on Flipkart and Amazon and etc. So suppose I want to have a short description and know what is the category of this transaction, what is the category of the asset. The simple thing is equals to AI ask. The formula is AI dot ask. The name of the formula is given here in the sheet name everywhere. AI ask. When you do AI ask, the second thing it asks is prompt. What is the prompt you want to give? So I want to say you need to write a short description which should not exceed 60 characters or 60 letters. So it will club these both of the things and give me in 60 words what the product is exactly about. So this is less than 60 words. It says Samsung TV set. Now what is the nature of the asset? Again, same thing, AI asks what is your prompt? Suggest product category. I want to know what is the category of the product. It says television. If you change the prompt here, it again changes the answer you want to get it. How is this useful in our use case? Let's see it here. Now here is the data, draft data which we have taken. Okay. This is the data of some 7-8 salesperson doing the sales and we want to know some insights about it. So in this data, if you see, I have given a formula as equals to AI.ask, give me 5 insights from this data. Me doing visual presentation is not giving me anything better answer, or I cannot see what is the nature of the data or what is the exact thing which is important thing to get it. When we do this formula, we get to know these are 5 things. It's giving 5 insights. I'll just show it. Top selling product which is there, which is the best performing brand, what is the discount, what is the GST contribution, what is the sales. So basically you have to just tweak your prompt. The game is all about tweaking what prompt is required. Okay.
I just want to add in here. How many of us are creating tables in Excel? Raise your hands. Okay. Do we send those tables only directly to the client? Huh? In our work paper, everything, tables and all will be there, right? Many of the time GST, 2B and all will send as it is. That Excel line items, for me only it is difficult. How will client understand? If you just use this formula, client will also not read. You will also not read, but he will find, oh, my CA has done some work. Boss, that is required. See, being in Big Four, I learned. We do beautiful work, okay, but we lack in presentation. AI will help us to present. I want all you to mint money, all of you to mint money. Not just take money, but mint money. I mean that word literally. Understanding? With this you can do. You should promise that any time I am sending any table that I use this formula, give top 5 insights there. Use case is important. That data table in the main sheet, my analysis right there. What will happen? Yes or no? This is a use case. You have to promise me. How many of you promise? How much time it will take?
1 minute.
This is a use case, okay? Then next, like this, again similarly. Here what we did, AI asked that time we generated the data. Now it can read those texts also and generate the data. Human mind is not possible to do this. It is giving us. Zoom in.
Now if you see, even after using this AI, it is still difficult for us to analyze what are the top 5 insights, right? Reading is little difficult. If we have some numbers and anything, we will quickly grasp it, right? So what we do, we use a formula called AI table. The same thing I have copied here, whatever text we have got, and we have given a formula as AI.table. What it does, converts your data into tables so that you can understand quickly. So the same thing, whatever prompt was there, what answer we got, it's converted here. So now it's become little more easy, right? More easy, I would say. Just to see, right?
1000 line items to 5 line items which you should focus. Again, mint money. Chapa aisa padna. Okay? Then, same way, now AI table, what is AI generative AI? Okay, can you show? Now I want to know what are the top 5 movies. Earlier, if you wanted to take demonstration on Excel, what you used to do? You used to prepare all the tables and give. Now you need not do that. AI will only generate. I have to just give a prompt. Okay. To give a prompt in AI ask, it will give me only one set. If I use AI table, the data will split into multiple sets. Understood? Yep. Yes or no? Yes. See now, in AI table I am giving you. Give me list of top 5 Bollywood movies in India.
Okay, I will give enter. Okay, so this is it.
Got it. Now how to use this? Again, if you are doing foreign work and all, many of us do foreign work. We should talk in their language, then they will understand. I can talk in full technical language, will you understand? But that is, ultimate is use case. Use. Nothing else. Okay. When you are working with across different zones, okay, many of us from North India have come here to Karnataka, or from Bangalore we are giving services to US, UK, you use this. Movies, that thing, this thing, it will help you to build rapport. With rapport only you get client who are into business development, who are into execution, not relevant. Okay? Done. Next.
So now we have one more client who deals or who sells a product across the globe, not just India. So there what happens, they receive the feedback in multiple languages. French, Spain, or let's say in India, Kannada, English, Hindi, Marathi, all those things. So here we have a formula called AI.translate. Whatever reviews he had, all the reviews were here like this example, and we just gave a formula equals to AI.translate, and you get a feedback or the review in whatever language you need. I guess you can follow this AI.translate, and then you can know now what to write. Itna tumko aata hai. Whatever text or prompt you have to give here. So this is the magic.
Got it? How to use this? How many of you have interns from AP, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka? I understand in my mother tongue best. When I came to Bangalore, I didn't know how to speak in English because till age of 16, I studied in convent school, but I never spoke English. I was scared to talk English in Bangalore. But someone conversed with me in Kannada, my understanding power was too good. I was able to understand. If someone talks me in my mother tongue language, I was able to understand. If you give this to your intern, what will he think? My boss cares about me. He will understand that mistake, next time he won't repeat that mistake. Yes or no? Everyone does not converse in English, but it will just help you to build that gap. With this, full IT industry is gone. One formula. You can sit here and do, you have tons to explore here, basically. That is what I want to say. Okay? We'll go to next again. How many of you liked it? Super. Next.
So extract is again same. We saw that SFT example, how to extract mail IDs, phone numbers, address, same. That is the function of extract.
From given data, you can extract anything. Televisions, email, company, anything. Okay? Done. I'll be sharing this sheet. I'm running through because we have to cover something else also. Okay?
Okay. This is the last one. We'll quickly do it. Now this is a normal problem what we face. We are having the data. Let's say cost is there. Some are there in dollars. Some are there in general format, custom format. So when you do the total, you won't get the exact total. Either number are mixed because those are in general format or alphabetical format. So this AI format comes into picture. What it does, you simply need to give the formula is equals to AI.format. So it will format all these data into these prompts as cost, date and quantity. So if you see here, 1200 rupees, $250 is everything streamlined into numbers. This is simple prompt. Now you can see how you can use this one.
I'll tell you use case. GST 2B. Invoice numbers. Yes or no? Mismatch is there when you do reconciliation. First clean that data with AI format. Done. Most of the errors will get reduced. Spacing error,
Trimming error,
all of that will go.
dash, hyphen, all those will be rectified with this formula.
Make sense? Make sense? Okay, tell me how much time is saved. Now how many formulas we have covered? 1, 2, 3. Again, hisab lagao bhai.
Rest formulas you can explore. We'll share it with you.
We'll go there. AI format. We'll use this in 2B. How much time we can save? Any guess? Sir, you are doing GST 2B? No?
Yes.
We'll do reconciliation errors we have. How much time do you spend approximately?
10 to 15 minutes per month.
Depends on the line.
So aram se can you believe like half an hour will be saved with this?
Yes.
Half an hour minimum I am taking. Just write down half an hour.
30 minutes.
Till now how much time is saved? Can someone give a count? Raise hands and yes. 2 hours only till now. Okay, then if you are not using Excel, then also I want to save your time. We'll go there, okay? So what I have committed is done. Let's commit, over deliver. We'll go there now. We are delivering extra now. Come next month. AI fill. You want to take this?
So here AI fill. Now just again the
I'll give a hint. You are using XLOOKUP, VLOOKUP and all, na? Huh? Like if this data is here, we have to use this. It is for that. No XLOOKUP, no VLOOKUP, nothing required. Use this. Thoda bada karo. Yes.
Okay.
Close the printers. Close the printers.
No, we'll need that.
we will need to. Okay. So here is the AI fill format. Again same. Let's say these all are the apps. Now I want to know what is the use of each app. Example. So AI fill comes into picture. It just takes what we are given. Suppose ChatGPT for Excel, it's going to unlock GPT potentials. Similarly, what are Microsoft Teams, Facebook social app, all other apps are going to do. It works well with your XLOOKUP and VLOOKUP formatting. This is very generic. When it comes to our industry or practice, we can go ahead. Instead of using XLOOKUP, VLOOKUP, we can use this.
Again, same we used it in GST refund. They have written product name, what it is used for, comparing with industry, closed. Understood? Understood? Yes. Next.
This is simple AI.list, which is used to give list of whatever items you want. So basically the main prompt is AI.ask. These are all the sub prompts. If you give proper prompt into AI.ask, it will do the work. Or if you are not having the proper prompt, then you can use this formulas. Okay. We'll move on to next. Anyone having any doubt here?
Till now, any doubts, questions? Yes, sir, please.
If time statement is there in PDF,
Okay.
if I have to put it in Excel, there are narrations which are not in the same line as in the date line. Then how can you use AI format?
Yes.
There are two things. You can use AI. The other thing is the traditional thing where you have to suppose you need to say that one of the narration is there in 2 line items, third narration is there in third transaction is having 3 or 4 line items, right?
Yes.
So there's a formula around that. We can share it. That works. In just 2 minutes, just copy paste that entire formula. All your narrations, how much ever line items those are there, it will come into 1 line items.
What is the formula?
We'll share it. That is little lengthy. We'll share it.
That formula I am aware of. Whether that is AI formula only or traditional?
No, that is a traditional formula. AI will also help you.
And if I have to convert PDF, if I have to get that data from PDF to Excel, will that AI will cover that?
Yes. Actually, it is covered.
This way.
Recording, YouTube.
Okay.
Sir, don't mind because we are running short. After 8 o'clock, any sessions I am here, okay? Till 10 o'clock, 12 o'clock. Aram se you can ask. Next.
Next is AI.
AI choice is again this one. What I told now. We look up X lookup. From this data, fill what it is related to. Just show one example.
Okay, so now these are the issues description. Very lengthy format में what is the issue they are facing. Let's say the article or someone in the office writing that they are facing all of these issues and you want to categorize those into particular 4 or 5 line items. So how can you categorize? You can use the formula called AI.choice. It will categorize all of your available narrations into 4 or 5 categories which is there.
Same office example. HR she done interview with 60 people. 60 people told different issues. You are boss. Okay? Mr. D. In that case, what happens? Those whatever errors, you will already say predefined. Office issue, timing issue, manager issue. Automatically it will categorize. Which one is the major one? Manager issue. Then he will focus on that direction.
Remove manager.
Yes.
Remove manager.
Remove manager. I'm just saying how to use this. Okay. Nothing else. Okay.
Okay. So
That's-
this was all. Yeah.
Yeah. So first we covered which one? Getting data. Cleaning and summarizing data. Cleaning we saw, summarizing also we saw. 1000 line items to 5 line items. Now the trick lies in this next slide. Okay. Presentation. That data what was in black and white, I'll make it in color in just 5 minutes. Like you promised me that I'll use AI.ask and give top 5 insights from that table. You have to use this and present, make sure that every Excel contains this. Okay? Ready with me? How many? Everyone this is relevant. You are in business or you are into execution, everyone is relevant. Okay? Let's go. We will be creating dashboards, interactive dashboards and also using VBA. Okay? Done. Come there. I'm just taking one data. I'll explain you data for your benefit. Okay. Even if you don't know data, I'll do this presentation. Client will feel, oh, my C is so good. Okay. See, this is the data. Okay. Do you want to explain that data once for benefit of client?
Okay, yeah. So this is again the same data we are using. It's a data of an industry. Okay. This is the data of, let's say, a store example like Reliance Digital or something like that, who are having multiple branches, multiple salesperson, and multiple products. So now the best way to analyze this one is what all we know is we prepare pivot table, right? Is there any other thing what we can do? Charts, okay.
Okay. Then now pivot table also many interns don't know. We don't have time to do this. If interns gives it, then our work gets easier, or else it is not useful. Now this data is generated by AI. I only generated it with AI. So I just wrote headings, okay, at top, and gave 2-3 line items. Based on that, I equal to AI.fill, take this heading, takes this data, based on that, fill this full line item for 20 rows. It filled it. That filled the data, let us analyze this. Now, what is the time? 7:08. Within 7:15, I'll create wonderful dashboard. Great.
Okay, let's start.
For explaining, can I go slowly? Huh? Okay. Yeah. First step.
So this is the first step. We'll select the data. We'll do first. Normal thing is we'll insert the pivot, right? Enter. This is the normal thing which we do. Is there any other thing how we insert the pivot or anything?
This is a traditional approach.
This is a traditional approach, right? Okay. So now what other thing is there? You select the data. There is something called as analyze data. What is it?
Analyze data.
Analyze data.
You will find it in home tab only.
Home tab mein it will be present.
Okay. Analyze data.
So once you click on it, the existing Excel Office 365 will automatically analyze the data, what is there, and it will suggest you what you can do. Now pivot is there. Let's say I want to insert a pivot. Okay. It also gives me chart. It also gives me bar chart, city wise, other chart. So it gives me auto suggestions. What are the available options we can? We need not to think. It automatically analyzes which is the best suited case and it gives the suggestions. Okay. Now let's create a dashboard with all these data. Let's say I am taking a sheet.
I'll remove grid lines, color it. Dashboard means it should look colorful, black and white no. Okay.
As this is presentation, dashboard. Okay. So now we have taken a lot of this data, right? We'll just take this, select the charts, whatever we got,
Control X,
Control V. Okay. Again the next chart. Control X, Control V. Let's say again the next chart. And we try. Okay, we can go to data.
Here it is.
Control what?
Control X.
Okay. Control X, Control V. Again, let's go to data. Let's say I want one more chart. Insert pie chart. Okay.
Control X. Control X.
Control X. Control.
Now.
So now we have got all the tables here. Okay. This is your normal dashboard, how it looks like. Till here, someone would have done it. Like usually we can do Google and all, and we can do it. Anyone would have done it. What excellence we can do in this one is we can make it an interactive dashboard. Okay. How can we make it? Suppose I want to know about a particular product. What is the sales in Bangalore? Can I do it? Someone? Can I do it here? Is there any idea?
Yes.
Slicers. Correct answer. Is there any other way? Suppose I want to know about, let's say, television by a particular person, Gagan. Can I still do it?
See, I want the data to talk to business owner. Whether he uses or not, that is his problem. You make it talking and give it to him. Okay. Now, is that data talking? No. That data only I presented it in colorful. Now I am wearing normal clothes. I wear suit. When I in my marriage, I wore everything. Sherwani, writing this. That is what it is. Sherwani. Understood that? Now, दूल्हे को ready करेंगे. Ready करो.
So here, what traditionally happens, you only do top by customer analysis, give that ready chart to client, paste it on the mail, and it's done. What we can do is, let's take any of the pivot. We'll go to pivot analyzer, add slicers, insert slicers. State wise I want salesperson wise, I want HSN wise. Okay. So I done okay, I should get 3 slices. Select all the 3 slices, cut it, bring it here. Easy? Is everyone following with me? Any doubt or any questions till here?
It is similar to filter. It is filtering the data which is presented in dashboard.
Okay, one second. Okay. So now what will happen? Suppose I am doing anyone Maharashtra. Only this one chart is changing, right? Not all the charts are changing. Am I right? Or let's say for HSN, only this one chart is changing. How can I make it interlink all the charts together? This is the ultimate goal. Once you interlink it, then dashboard is like pro level. No one can beat you. Anyone having any idea how you can do it? Sorry, link slices. Okay. We can do right click. We have to do report connections. There is something called report connections. Select all the pivot tables, whatever are there, and then do OK. So now all your charts are interactive. If you change anyone, let's say I want to know about Bob, all the charts are changing. It's not okay. We have to link all the charts. Report connections. Okay, now everything is linked. So now all your charts will turn up. Only Delhi I want to know. Maharashtra. Joe. So all your charts are changing now. Right?
Getting it?
Getting it?
Getting or no? Getting or no? No? Yes?
Yes.
Yes? No?
Yes.
Yes? How many yes? Okay. I wanted to promise one thing, okay? One more promise. Don't directly insert this dashboard and set it to the client. You need not put effort what you have to analyze. Go to Analyze tab. Go to Analyze tab once. No, Analyze.
Here.
No, that data, go to Analyze. Okay. In Analyze, you can ask also, give me sales by that person. What you have to see in that data, if you don't know, ask AI. What I should see in this data, it will give, ask AI. Those 5 things only you paste it here, data is ready. Understood, huh? Understood?
Yes.
Example like this. Give me top 5 salesperson. Okay? This you can do and you can
See, one standard way of doing dashboard is, come there. Dashboard. Get dashboard to first sheet. Always, na? Cancel that analyze data. All these filters are there, na? All this should be on left side. Okay? All these filters. And all this dashboard should be on right side. That's a standard rule which anyone follows. Any corporates you do, because they'll be moving from left to right screens. It will be easy for them. After that, here few numbers you can top in. I just added dashboard. I'll show you one use case what we did for a reconciliation. E-commerce client was there. He had around 160-70 vendors. 33 vendors he didn't know. Liability is not recorded. So we did the reconciliation and found that 2.5 CR is the under-recorded liability in the books. Okay, how much? 2.5 CR. Normally what we would have done, each vendor wise we would have given him details. But we gave him this dashboard. He was super happy. Show the dashboard once. I have customized it. This is just to show. Now by 7:15 we have completed that with explanation. This is a reconciliation dashboard. How does it look? Here see, side by side, by vendor name filtering. These are whether those conditions are or not. If you write total vendors this much, how many vendors are included now? Just do yes here in reconciliation.
Insert a logo, that is also your brand, office name.
The branding also we can do.
Yes, yes.
Everything that can be with image, that format will look good, very good. Okay.
So these are the scope vendors. Here we can do all of it. So here you see, it will reduce the liability. These are the additional liabilities what they have
In
to
red, green, total goal, more. If red means increase in liability, green means decrease in liability. Go to pie chart, side by side. See this chart. Each vendor, if he wants to see, if he just clicks on that vendor, he will have the data ready. Do you think this is a value addition to the client? Normal 33 vendors, like 2A, 3B, how you do now? We did for 33 vendors. After that whatever was the final result, we made one main sheet. That main sheet we linked it here. Now 5 interns were working on it. Now if I give this report to business owner, how happy he will be? That is the value addition you can bring on table. I want you all to mint money like this. Okay? Need not go asking for work, they will only come to us. Okay? Makes sense? How many of you liked it? Like, Pakka? Okay, this is the one thing which full class liked it. Okay, how many of you will use it? Exploit it? Right? Others don't want to use it? Raise hands full. Okay, next. See here, what I do is, any Excel what I prepare now, I won't give like this only to the client. Okay, only the dashboard I don't give. I prepare one lead sheet. Lead sheet is what that Excel contains. In each, it has link to each of the workbook. And what is the work done, what is the scope of work, and then send it to the client. So any Tom, Dick and Harry also visiting the Excel for first time, he will know exactly what is done for him. Understood? This we call as a lead sheet. Basically, this is the of a book. It is the title of contents. Okay, that title of contents is interlinked to each of the Excels. Now, one option is how can I prepare title of content? This one is Control K. Control K.
Hyperlink.
This is hyperlink option. How many of you know about this option, hyperlink? Okay, few of us. Once I get hyperlink, I can link to respective worksheets. Can you show that respective worksheets?
Existing.
No, place in this document. Place in this document. Okay.
Dashboard.
Dashboard.
So
Okay.
that comes.
If I click on dashboard, click there, it will go to this dashboard. Okay, on that dashboard, again I can give a link which will come to directly home page. Client is not familiar to use Excel like how we use, without mouse and all. That's why we have to give him in this format. We have to make his work easy, then he will pay us. Or else why he should pay us? Got it? Now, there are around 5-10 sheets. How do you insert in a single shot? One thing I can insert one by one. Alternative option is using VBA. What is called? VBA. Any coding. Means how Excel, these developers use Excel now, it is that language. We have to use ChatGPT, give a code saying that what is the code you will get, what is the final output you want. First, act as an Excel expert. Second, what is the output you want? Give me hyperlink to all of the sheets containing in one main lead sheet. Okay, and in row column 1, the name sheet should appear. Column B, the hyperlink should appear. Format everything in table. Then tuck, you give it across. After that, Alt F11 you have to press. What is it called? Alt F11. It is called Power Query. After that, you paste it. Automatically, everything will come. Okay, I'll just show it to you. Clear? You followed the steps? You followed the steps? Basically, VBA is anything you want to inspect Excel. You have to type, press R11, paste it, it will do. Understood? Go there.
Okay. So this is the code which we have written. Give me VBA code so that hyperlink is coming. Basically, lead sheet preparation. I'll copy this code. Go to ChatGPT, paste this. Enter. You get a code. It will take time to generate. Now I am already having it here. This is the code which comes directly, automatically. As soon as you give the data this code, we get a VBA code. Copy this code. Go to Excel. Is everyone with me?
Yes. Alt F11 you have to
Alt F11. We get this. Insert. Insert new module. Insert new module. And as soon as you do Control V, save. Save. So done. If you go back, okay, sorry, we have to run this.
run this.
Run. 1 second. Save.
Acha, you save it as.
Save it.
So macro enabled workbook you have to save it as. Save the workbook.
Unless you open macro enable, this will not work.
Yes. Macro. Do F12.
You
Save it
want
as
to be
macro enabled workbook.
Otherwise, it will not appear out.
Okay.
Ah.
We have saved it.
Now it will work.
We are going to save. Run.
Close it. Close it open.
1 second. Alt F11 module delete. Let's take the code, copy, control D,
Save it. Then you open
run.
F8.
Some problems I don't know.
Now
Okay.
you will have to use F8 no? To save it. And
Yeah,
then-
it's saved, it's
Then
saved.
fully close it and again open it, it will open.
Okay, let's do that.
Open the file again. You will have to save it as XLSX.
Yeah, it's saved as an XLSX, as a macro enabled workbook.
Macro number, then you open the file, then it will work.
I'll tell you, a CA who was doing the MIS preparation for 60 hotels. He used this feature. He had 60 worksheets. Okay. He in that table, each worksheet had this data. So he gave a VBA code in a single Excel. All that data from 60 worksheets was pulled. Then he used Power Query to do checks, and MIS was prepared. Earlier, one more CA was taking 20 days. He did it in 2 days with one resource. And he used to bill around 2 lakh rupees per month to client for MIS report.
I don't know, there is some problem, we need to check, but it works like this.
It works in this form. Clear? Clear?
You
Clear?
can put that query to ChatGPT, it will correct it out.
Yes.
The error comes
Yeah.
out, you put it to ChatGPT. Copy
We can explain, but
You copy paste it, immediately it gives the answer and it says
Done.
where you have gone wrong.
Correct.
Done, correct,
Sir,
sir.
now,
Why to scratch? It is there to answer.
we are here to learn from it.
done. So I will just move on again because there are a few other things in the bucket which I want to cover. Okay. Can you just open that? One of the client was there. Okay. I'll just show you what we did. This is for project financing and all. How many of you work in project financing and all? Whenever someone wants to do fundraising and all. Okay. There was a piece of agri land. Okay. On that agri land, they are putting solar powers also, and one person is also cultivating. One person has expertise in this, and one person has expertise in this. That same 2 acres ka land. Going forward, they want to implement this same module in next 200 acres. Okay. So for 2 acres, how much is investment and how much is rate of return he is generating? Debt ka how much debt he has to raise, how much equity he has to raise, and which crops if he grows the value will be more. How much solar power if he puts, what will be the final IRR. Okay. I will show you an Excel what I prepared. This is dynamic Excel again. I didn't want client to do anything. Here, wherever yellow things are there, there he has to key in data. For keying in also, he can use this button. If I rate debt, just increase the debt percentage. See, my IRR will compute here. What is my project IRR and equity IRR? How much I should raise debt and how much I should raise equity. Just come here. See here. It is thoda complex Excel. This is only for solar power. I had prepared 6 structures. One was for funding, ratio analysis, profit and loss, balance sheet, everything was there. In second level, only this much goes. Third level, even more detailed it goes. Understood? By 5th level, everything will expand in detail. Understood? Now, I will come to just second level, okay? See, second level has all these details. If I increase my debt period to 12 years, what will be my IRR? Project capacity, if I instead of 2 gigawatt, I increase to 5 gigawatt, what is my IRR? That is only for solar. Then similarly we did for agri. Then he wanted consolidated for both together how much it will be. That also is possible. This is some feature called buttons. Okay, this will also be used for in construction industry. If someone wants to do analysis, or what is developer ka, what is landowner ka share, how much GST is finally going. You can use these buttons. This one will help you. How to activate buttons? Very simple. Go to Files, Options, Developer tab, Options, Customize ribbon, Developer tabs. Close this. One second. Close this. Then a developer tab will appear. Okay. Once this developer tab appears, insert. Insert. Here there are different forms of button. You can choose anyone, whichever fits, and go and implement. I am giving you a tip how you can see use case. I am showing it to you because I have done it practically. You can use it in this way. Okay? Clear? How many of you liked it? Not useful? Not useful? Okay. Now I'll tell you something more important. Okay. This feature not everyone might use, but now what I'm going to tell you, everyone uses. How many of you are preparing project reports for loans? Project reports for loans. Okay. Then how many in that project reports for loan? Many of the time in business presentations also. If I want to give refund proposal, I'll prepare workings in Excel. Then I'll paste it in PPT for the client as a proposal. Once the figure changes in Excel, the figures in PPT don't change. Okay. I am interlinking everything in one single shot. Very simple. Suppose this is my project report. Control C. I'll open Word for project financing. I would have prepared full P&L account. Okay, after that some figure changes. Again I need not paste it in Word. Okay, that way we can do it. Control C.
Control C, Control Alt V.
Paste as object. Oh, charge is not there. You connect my laptop? Open PPT. See, I am presenting that Excel. That figures is in Excel. Here I will show it.
So this is the figure. We'll do Control C. We'll go to the PPT. We'll do Control V. Now, this is normal page which we have done, but to
Increase the size.
okay.
Decrease the
Font size.
yeah. Visible? Yes. Oh.
This is a normal page which we have done. No special case or anything. But whenever I change the data here again, let's say I make it 10,000, it won't change here, right? How we can do the one which is interacting or which is changing very often, the dynamic one is, we'll delete this, again we'll do copy. We'll have to paste the image as an object. Paste the image as an object. Control Alt V, paste special. Within here, you will get paste link as an object. Everyone is following? Paste link as an object. Okay. So here it's there. So now we are first line we are having 500, right? I'll just change that. I'll make it 0. It will automatically change in the PPT. Right?
Got it? You need not any tension. But the flaw of this is formatting can't happen. So you have to format in Excel. That same format you can paste it in Word. Anytime the bank people ask to change numbers and all, immediately it will change. It will take minutes for it.
Does it work when the PPT is closed?
Yes.
Will we open it?
Yeah.
Yeah,
because
yeah.
it is interconnected. It is basically how Excel, we are getting data from one more Excel now. That connections come, report connections, same way it will work. It will work with any Microsoft application. I'm just taking an example of Word and PowerPoint. And this is a feature based as an object. You can use across, exploit it. I'm giving a use case of it. Okay?
Except what are the possibilities?
Yes.
Sir, but when you reopen it, it will ask for whether I can interact that file, then you will have to give yes. Then only it will work.
Yes.
Otherwise it will not work.
Yes, sir.
See,
Yes,
otherwise
I
it will
correct.
not, if they say that open it, it will not open, it will prompt will appear.
You have to do enable content, sir. Enable content is the key.
Then the box will appear, then you will have to say yes, then only it will
Got
work.
it.
Otherwise it will not work.
Correct.
Everyone followed till here. How many of you find this useful? How many of you find this useful? Okay. Now, till here we known about Excel. Correct? Huh? Now I want to come to smart use of system. Even if you are not using Excel, Word, PowerPoint, how do you use system? For one simple thing. Okay. I have an office in a premise where more than 50-60 CA offices are there. Like 50-60 offices are there, around 10 CA offices are there. I was the first person to get one more desktop. There. Okay. Generally in laptop I have one screen. Okay. You add one monitor and your efficiency will increase at least by 50 to 60%. Understanding? Understood what I am trying to say? Your work will get faster, your time will reduce. At least minimum every day half an hour will reduce. And your investment will be around 10 to 15,000 to get that monitor. Understood? Yes or no? I am using in my system, I don't have picture to show. Okay. Then, next, one more thing.
Sir, what did you say now? One more monitor, what is it?
One more monitor if you attach to your laptop, basically you have to connect, interlink, then your time will reduce minimum by 30% if you are interacting with multiple files.
You need to use it as an extend screen basically.
Extend the screen and use it. Okay. I'll tell one more thing. Do Windows Edge. See, raise your hands like this, okay? After this. Windows Edge.
So I'm not holding the laptop, I'm just doing Windows Edge. Voice access, okay.
Open Chrome. Raise the hands please. Open Chrome. Voice access, wake up. It is not reading now.
Voice access wake up. Open Chrome. Open Chrome.
Did not.
Open Chrome.
I'm
Open
not-
ICA website.
I am not touching.
Open WhatsApp.
Enter.
Open WhatsApp. Open Word.
Understood? This is voice access system.
Open Pen.
Can open file?
Yes, any particular file it can open, aram se, no issues in that. Okay. Then next feature I will show. This is for opening file. Now what feature I am saying now? This press Windows Edge. If I don't know typing, I'll use this. I love Bangalore ICI chapter. My audience is wonderful. They all express love. They are great. Everyone wants CPRs. See, everything it types. Understood, huh? I did not type everything. I know a person how he uses, any session we go, he enables it. The speaker speaks. Okay, he has everything that data recorded. Then he uses AI summarize for future use. Understood? No need to capture everything. This is the way you can use it. One more thing. Go to WhatsApp. This same feature, text feature will work anywhere. When I get WhatsApp messages, I don't type. Time reduce, na? Again, open WhatsApp. Just, if I open any chat, say, Rohit, Rahul, I just do, again Windows Edge. Wherever you want to say, now you just say and it will type it. WhatsApp messages, here, there, everywhere. Try using it because the time will get saved. You need not type and your screen time will also reduce.
In mobile also, replying keyboard there will be mic.
Mic, you can use that.
It's basically dictate function.
Dictate. Clear? Smart use?
There is a threat of voice tuning. Yes.
Already what? If you are speaking, smartphone is capturing. Next Instagram reels will get those.
That's where in your laptop we just turn it off mic because it keeps hearing. If you start using it, then why isn't it?
I'll answer that at the end of the session. Okay. I'll just complete this so that CPRs are done. Okay. Next. So one more feature I'll tell you. If person every day you use ChatGPT, I have subscribed for Taxman. Okay. Every day I practice in indirect taxes, so I read case laws. But that case laws I have also to communicate. Okay. Only then it makes sense. Earlier when I was working in Big Four, that case laws after we reading we used to summarize and send mails to the client. At least what we can do as practitioners, we can read that case law, use ChatGPT, summarize it and put it in WhatsApp status. Understood? Understood? Can you get my laptop there? I'll just show it to you. And one more use case of that is, say if by using one chat, I'll continue using that same chat. So it understands. So for this one, litigation I have separate chat. For income tax I have separate chat. For general purpose I have separate chat. That is way efficiently I am trying to use ChatGPT. Understanding? Following up with what I am trying to say. Do you want to know demo of this? Do you want or no?
Yes.
Okay, I'll just show it. Connect. Sir, internet connection. Internet. So this is Edge or any browser for that matter. Edge is a good feature. It will help. Okay. You have to do open with Edge. Okay. Then there is an option draw, highlight. As you speak now, just highlight that. Client will follow up with you. He will start judging that, oh, you know the matter very well. You have prepared it. You are on top of it. That is the feeling it will give to the client. Understood? Understood? Yes? No? How many of you are using this for interaction with the client? If you are not using, can you raise your hands? How many of you will be using it going forward? Correct? Huh? You don't need pencil, you don't need anything. Just type there and it will do it this interaction. One more feature I want to say here. Okay. Last year I was chairman of KSCA, Indirect Tax Committee. Okay. As an agenda, open that. See, this is a normal PDF. Okay. I wanted to, generally in PDF now links doesn't work if you link it with Excel. Okay. Now I wanted to make this a interactive PDF. If they click on KSCA, it should go to KSCA website. Just click there, open. Understood? There was a digital marketer which we had hired, paying 30K. I told him to do, he didn't do it. Sir, nahi ho raha hai, Excel mein bhi nahi ho raha hai, idhar bhi nahi ho raha hai, udhar bhi nahi ho raha hai. Then easily we could do it. Go there, one more side. Come down, suggest a topic, click there. I sent it to member. Now it is an interactive PDF. Multiple links are there in that PDF. Anyone wanting to interact, it is easily possible with this. Do you believe it is useful or not? Yes. Like that for each program we can do it. Understood? Huh? You can try it in Excel but it won't work. I have tried it. Okay. And for this there is one platform called PDF Escape. PDF Escape which you can use it. But don't use this for client data. For these association works and all, you can use it. PDF Escape. You want to know how I did it?
Hyperlink is it? Or creating the hyperlink.
You want to know how I did in PDF Escape? If you want to know, I'll show it, or else I'll move to next. Yes? Okay. Just show it.
Okay, we'll do upload a PDF, whatever PDF we are having. We'll select this PDF, drop it here. So here is the PDF. Now, how we did this is,
So you have to come here, select on link, take this, click here like this, and that will be, you insert a link, done. After that, after inserting, you have to just click on download. That PDF is ready. That same normal thing won't work anywhere else. Clear?
you can click on link and then select whatever. Suppose this image is there, you have selected this image and given the link of KSCA main page. So now whenever someone opens this PDF, if they click on this one, it will go to main page. Simple.
Clear? Okay. I'll tell you one more thing. I'll just connect. Can you see my screen? If you can see, can you say yes? Just shout by yes. Okay. No? Okay. Now? Now? Okay. This is Taxman website, okay. Every day I sit and read for 2 hours. How many hours? 2 hours. After reading, say one case law comes, okay. This is a case law. I would have read that case law. I want to put it in WhatsApp summary so that my clients know or my contacts know. I'll take this, copy, go to ChatGPT. There is one separate WhatsApp status GST Excel, GST litigation. I'll paste this here. Okay. Then I've given a prompt already. Every day I copy paste the same prompt. Control C, Control V. Then what is which case law it is? I'll copy from here. Source. T. Enter. In WhatsApp status, you know, there are limited numbers what you can write. This one, take, copy and paste. Is your work easy with this? Yes. Is your work easy with this? See, ultimately, person pays for presenting. There is a hard truth, if you know or not, you have to swallow that. Okay? Unless if you present, you show your work, you won't get recognized. Or not, anyone will know. Whether you are in corporate, whether you are working for the client. Your work should be seen. That is all.
You put it in your, you send the message as WhatsApp?
Yeah, I put it in status every day.
Yes, that's what I'm.
Every day my WhatsApp, and one unique thing is I always put source. Because in today's AI world, what is source we never know. With this, what I have read is always presented to my clients, to my known connects. Many of them message summary was good. I don't thank you here. Work is safe, na? You have to say thank you to them. Make sense? Yes. Make sense?
Is there any tool where in case if I'm having a chat with my client?
I'll come in. I'll come in.
So it was in connection to this also.
Prior to this, you showed.
So make a note, I will come at the end. 8 o'clock, people meet. Okay, now make a note, I will address everything, okay. One important thing, I work in, what do they say, US. How many of you are working in foreign returns now? We get those US ka returns. Pulling data from that is very difficult. How many of you agree? Yes, yes or no? I'll show you easy way. I'll just take 2 minutes of your time. Okay? Shall I? Yes. Open. Okay, what is it? You know this browser Comet and all? Comet. You have to download the Comet browser. Whatever file is there, PDF, you have to do open with Comet browser. Then there is AI assistant. You have to give a prompt. Give me summary of that. Your summary is ready. 1 hour ka time is saved again. Chrome doesn't have that feature, correct? Understood? Got it? How many of you followed with this? Followed or not? I'll repeat. You have PDF. How do you generally read PDF? Each document you have to go through.
No, but Acrobat, I think it has.
But 1 second. Okay. Now that PDF is there. That PDF I open with browser. You have that option now. Chrome is not working with Google Chrome. You open instead of Chrome browser, you will write Comet browser. Okay, Comet. After opening, there is one. It is not, sir. Source is not working. Can you help please? Once after that, in ChatGPT, what source is there everywhere. In this, you are interacting with that PDF only, nothing else. Make sense, sir? I'll just open it. I'll just show it, sir.
So this is a PDF, let's say it's a UK tax return PDF. How we have Form 16 in India, they have something called P45 in UK. Suppose I am using it for the first time, I do open with Comet. The alternate thing for this one is we upload that on the ChatGPT, but then data goes on the server. That is why we do this. Once you open this with Comet, we can do assist. So now you can start asking the question here and it will give you whatever you want to answer. Let's say, how much is the salary?
In tabular form.
You were telling something in ChatGPT data goes here it does.
Sir.
Yeah.
We'll explain.
See, now data is ready. How much time is saved? You need not know about those laws. For you, what is relevant you can pull out from Indian income tax returns. Make sense? Data is not going anywhere. Make sense? I'll tell you one more thing. One of my friend, there's Google Notebook LM, okay. There's something called Google Notebook LM. New feature has come. He had enrolled for DISA exam. While he was traveling from Udupi to Bangalore to write exam, whatever DISA notes material was there, he uploaded on Google LM, converted it into podcast. While driving, he heard that 40 minutes ka podcast, 3 podcasts, wrote exam, clear. So, I want to say is, whatever kind of data you have, you can convert it into any form. You can convert it into chart format, you can convert it into podcast format, or you can convert it into PPT format or flyer format, whatever your clients like. So it is your duty to know what my client likes. That format you have to do. Google Notebook LM, here they give a surety that your data won't get lost. It will be within Google only. Make sense? Make sense? You want to see one? You want to see one? This is one of the projections. Just don't upload. Just show it.
So this is the projection report which is there here. And once that summary is made here, now you can convert that into audio if you want. You can convert that into video, mind map. For example, we have done that into 2 formats. One is audio and one is mind map. Suppose I go on mind map, you can see. Now you can see whatever is there in a summary format.
Now you show that PDF.
If you don't want to, you can hear the audio. This is the audio which is converted and downloaded from there. It's a 10-minute audio.
I think
Mic, you might do it. Do not play. Okay. Basically, that audio is there, it will get converted. Explore that. Understood? Got it? Got it? No. Laptop audio ka issue. Okay? Getting it? Like that, there are many other things also. I'll just connect to my laptop. I'll connect to my laptop. One last feature and I'll end. I don't know how many of you have made note of it, but is it connected? Can you see? Listen. Close this. See, generally I have my client data in server, okay. I take number of sessions and all. My session file is somewhere in D drive and all. Okay. Every time I can't go to D drive and access. What I'll do, I'll double click control, sessions taken or sessions attended. These are the sessions attended. What is the traditional way of going to these files? This PC, desktop, then I have to remember where is it. Yes or no?
yes.
Attended, then come here. Now what I did? double K session. You want to know how I did? How much time it will save every day? Huh? But CPRs is there now. So I'll close here. So Listary बोल के write down LISTARY. Listary बोल के install whatever files are there in your desktop. Only those will be accessible. If you have server, you are using server, there you have to use it. Getting it?
The server we can use it or we cannot?
Server also. You have to install that. If you take a paid version, that is much better. Free version will have its own issues.
You need to install on server then.
Okay?
Here it is installed on desktop.
Okay. Understood? How many of you liked it? How many of you liked it? Okay. There are many more features like this. Okay. Like one I told about podcast and all. I want to show one last feature and we'll end. Just go there. You have internet access. You want all PPT, Excel, whatever we have done today, you'll get access to it. Go there. Okay, this at the end we'll take it. Okay. ai.teamrjc@gmail.com. Just type that and write wonderful session now only. You'll get immediately PPT and all on your email.
Would you have to send an email?
You send and say, ma. Oh, mobile only they broke. I don't want. See, you understood, huh? You have to go there, ai.teamrjca@gmail.com, type wonderful session, WONDERFUL, space SESSION. Now only, after that I'll disable it. Immediately you will get a response with PPT, drive link, everything. Soon. ai.teamrjca@gmail.com. Wonderful session. Here. Wonderful. Don't write anything else. Just write wonderful session. Only then you will get PPT. Okay. Just type that in Excel and type that in Excel and do it. Did you get?
Okay, this is the mail ID.
And type wonderful session. Type that. So if you're watching online, you won't get, and disable it after the session. Nee, wonderful session. Okay. Within a minute you will get. How many of you have got it?
Not received.
There is something called Google App Script. Okay. What it is? Google App Script, wherein one app of Google interacts with one more app. Okay. As soon as you send email on this email ID, your email ID will be captured. After that, I have triggered a function. If it is wonderful session, then send this attachment and these links to you. And it will run every 1 minute. So similarly, if you have any functions, you can aram se do it. Got it? Huh? No. What have you written?
Wonderful session.
Sure. Huh? With full heart did you write? If you don't write with full heart, it is difficult now.
Subject should be blank, right?
No, you can just write wonderful session.
In subject wonderful session. In subject you should write wonderful session.
Not in the text.
Okay, you can write in subject as wonderful session. You will get it. Let me know who gets first. ai.teamrrgca.
See, you would have got now. These are the person who have sent emails.
Got it.
Deepak, Ganesh, Srigopal,
Got it.
Shravan. Is everyone getting the mails?
In subject we should write wonderful session.
Yes.
Not in the body.
No.
Got it, huh?
Yeah, got it.
Like with heart did you write? Full heart. You came late to the session. Ah, that's why it's not working. Received? Good. How many of you like this feature?
You receive an email.
Yeah, you received an email. Okay, just who all received? Can you just raise your hands? Who all received?
You have to give access.
No, I don't know.
No, to the Google Drive.
So Google Drive file I have to give access. Okay, I'll give.
Otherwise,
And that also I'll write a code. You received? Good. Sir, this won't work now. I'll disable it. After the session. Sir, wonderful session you write.
Sir, in the subject you have to write as wonderful session. Send it to ai.teamrrgca@.
Now it is.
But not received.
You will receive it in a minute.
If you send me email for clients, we take two days ka time. Here you have to give 2 minutes. 2 minutes, it will be received.
Subject and body both works.
So both in subject and body both works.
It's going.
When? Just show them.
Around 100 people have received.
Give them. Show that how many. I know who has received and who has not received. If you for chumma names like if you say not received, I'll catch you. Okay. Don't fool around. See, so many people who is sent, not sent everything I have.
So all of it. Around 100 people have sent the mails.
You know how much time I spent for this? 5 minutes. 5 minutes I spent and done. It's simple call. See, all of this. He sent yes, it is coming. Clear? For more, thank you. You all were a lovely audience. And thank you so much. I'm open to take any questions. Any questions you have, I'll be open to take it. I'm here only. Yeah, please.
So one is if I'm having a call with a client and I want to summarize, what happens is, actually one of my clients did that, so I was a little shy to ask her how did you do it, but really I want to learn that. So we had a call for almost 2 hours. It was an audit call. Within a minute, I got an email of whatever were the final queries left. So is there anything that we can summarize the call?
Yeah, there is something called Scribble.
Scribble, okay.
You can use, or else that voice access I told now. That also you can
But
use.
voice access will not summarize.
Okay.
It will give all data. Put in chat, it is summary.
Ma'am, there are 2 options. First is Gemini, which is paid one. The other option is Scribble. You have to download that as an add-in, and as soon as your meeting starts, it starts taking the notes. And after your meeting, in a single minute, it will send you the summary. SCRIBBL. Scribble. Yes.
More questions? And one more thing, okay. One last thing I want to share. Okay. Many of us are practicing. If you tell to your interns, they might not do it. Okay. But one intern learns with one more intern, then the possibility of that doing increases multifold. Understood, huh? If you teach your intern, they won't do. If they are learning with their peers, then they will do. If you want that solution, aram se you can reach out to me after the session. I am here, we will discuss.
So I got a question.
Yeah.
What about the privacy of the data which you are sending through ChatGPT and all this thing?
Sir, I am not uploading client data.
Will that be-
The public data only I am uploading.
Yeah, that means you will have to be very careful when you are uploading there.
ChatGPT we don't upload only anything of client. In my mail, if you see,
See, that
that's why.
tables what you have put up, like that when you get some
Which table?
Excel tables and
Ask.ai.
No, that won't go to ChatGPT. It is inside your Excel. It is inside your Excel. It is not going to ChatGPT and coming.
Sir, when you are installing that add-in, the data is interacting within your system. It's not going outside. That is the reason we are downloading add-in. The risk comes when you are uploading those data directly to ChatGPT or something else.
Sir, I have a different question. Here, no, because it has to summarize. Like it has to go to ChatGPT server. It has to some privacy
projects will go off.
Even in format also, you open PDF. I think there is also
We'll discuss on this.
See, in the case of company data, any summarize and all, if you put it in that, obviously it becomes a public.
Got it.
So in
I'll
the Zoom meeting and all already we have the AI assistants are there. So they will do the summary, then why do
Yeah.
we need this additional?
They are not using Zoom, they are using Google.
Zoom meeting, I mean, Google Meet also is there, right? Yeah.
It's there, but it is paid. Because of that, someone is using.
Yeah. Any other questions? Yeah, Google Drive. I don't know. Google Drive.
This side already.
Yeah. Yes.
From the institute side, I want to ask, we normally do a brochure or something where we will be setting it up, where we don't have the access. Once you click, it will not go to the register. That is registration folder. So that is what we are facing. When you showed that in PDF format, wherever you click, automatically it goes for that. That can be made.
Yeah, definitely. It can be made. Definitely.
That is one definitely. We
Wonderful, sir. Wonderful. Thank you. Session successful. Any other questions? We'll take it. Thanks, Jane. Yeah, we'll discuss all of it. Then, questions? Done. Thank you, everyone. And thank you, Institute, for giving me this wonderful opportunity.
Thank you, sir, for this session. For privacy of ChatGPT, I think most of the people have not attended our conference. Last session we had annual conference, Custom GPT by Ganesh. We had a session on Custom GPT by Ganesh on the conference. So he showed us a Custom GPT how to have privacy. Okay, thank you for the insightful session, sir. Both of the speakers has given a wonderful presentation. On behalf of the managing committee members of the institute and members present here, we would like to present a moment to the speaker.